Bekwai abato empesua no so COP George Alex Mensah 43 minutes past 7 midi the aduanaba Kofi Asantinin, and of course this is from the studios of Akoma 87.9 FM. Kanzo na mema wa fisapa of course bijiri sabusanfo nyina ho ye
ya ho ye na onso e
nyame adom bibia boko you are cleared to go ewo Bekwai abato mpesa so right.
Yeah, no correct.
Wonderful. And minim say a lot of vibes about wo election from the committee, from police, I see Bekwai in persuasion. The journey to today, how has it been? Because the whole COP George has been a talk of Ghana for a period of time now. How has the journey been so far?
So far, so good, Mina.
I see.
So far, so good.
Sa idea way to contest Bekwai. Ebemu dabe.
Oh, Mina, Ebemu Emra. Mina, Penny First Deputy Speaker. Tuna no Kuse. Okoya Kunyano, Opesa, or Chinamokaka.
I see.
Akonyanso de toa na de siponso say wa odibiye bia no o fe na o we hu na o sampa akonyano onso betimedi te bra mini aka sa no a e confirm free no ho no na me susu no hu na mu say onyane de 87 ene mercy koro no ba bia medro no mitumi kwa akotena akonyano so
Ebusia ekonya tofia na obi bedia na yafre be kire wabusia dua yemu bi ayo free kokofu a yedi achiame eba se ekonya to na wokwa ye obeyi wabusia dua ofenso de ne kekesa ponse bebra ben eti MPP abusia dua ye gala COP George ekonya to e bra beyi wabusia dua uno wabusia dua free da be ne bewie say all of a sudden with me you tia obia and raise any objection against you are ya clear war. I mean you were a serving officer, a competent one to that effect. Tibrebe na kosui.
Yeah, and then a child said when you man me boy, I was so professional. Cause you say when you go as a public servant. There are certain things that I'm not going my own year, and yet, in you do quite one. And covert, if we be overt and covert, and my own year overt. But as for covert and there, all kinds of way. And a bush there, if you too. Audition day I want to audition. We say no matter dream with your
and
baby dear okay I remember them okay the choir is being a dish yeah permanent
and no credit because I can say at the end of the at the committee level but grounds to say because Bekwai meaning say several individuals and so you won't o carry on share grounds o betimi make any surprise
oh me grounds is yeah that's a nyana me
nipa 4 and a contesting
and correct
and among the 4 no you think say on 27th January you betimi win
oh my win straight no in the street
dear amount we are above among the 3
oh that's how again our bonus on the mood
of course
the seat of the first deputy speaker of parliament to point to 2 or to point
And then okre.
Enya konya ketewa.
Yeah.
Na bia yeni die ne juma ya kudro so experience nse wo bi ha de ko. Papa mo a bit ma boa. Parliament bit ma boa. E man bit ma boa.
But
so you pure in the say you are a accountant or a lawyer.
Yes, I know that for a fact. Per records.
Expert.
Oh, an unprecedented
record. Pretty knowledge. This any pay will do parliament here. A dear more non to more parliament house. More man.
Obibeka say, as we speak, your committee verdict, result, everything on hold cry in your and yadia a bit me affect your fortunes.
Committee
the parliamentary select committee are yet to go investigate allegations of tape near the ID.
Oh, I said the criminal idea woman can from parliament. The parliament investigate criminal activities.
Yeah.
And then get them call. As I said, to be a police in go police here. Get no call a friend NIB National Investigation Bureau.
Yeah. Until Adesia ATA I will be quiet. Man for you so that as any of these issues will tell you say what you are telling us and open say sir issue investigation committee that they it has nothing to affect anything I will be quiet.
Not at all. And me say me come on am kudi. What am kudi me zuma kudi come on say me ko bokro no. Ana me ko tonri ana me ko ton kuti ana me ko kuni ba. So that's it.
Me tell say pa.
A political come on am politician kudi. It's purely political. It has nothing to do with the crime.
I see. But Obibeka says your loyalty, of course, will be questioned because at the time we are COP now in a quest said to have seen somebody now take over now. I mean, a banner side probably doing any better show. One more person would dig it the back. I said, yeah, to a barman. I will be eyeing different thing altogether.
Oh, so well, some of course, so. Parliamentary Select Committee ni ma. Ube mo se nya dia COP oko ka asemboni bia. COP oko ka enyema ekoso a obi se emwa oman no. Na obi ya dia na ekoso na obi se emwa oman no na ne panyi bi kodi ho nkoma. Eno de boni be no mu.
Well, but opposition be say it was a self-centered discussion. I mean,
no, opposition of a papa oda. Opposition they say car no going to be no sabine. The opposition for there, you don't expect them to say anything good about the government.
But Rebecca said, so now you were thinking about party, one way or minor as a whole.
Party is so na egu or minor na obi bibi a ebese or minor ase party no. Enye o minor na meje ho. Enye o minor 87.9. Party ya the papa. E bo o minor. Bibi bibi a ebese or minor na de a shepherd ni the party na ama say esi a. O say enye o minor so na America. Enye o minor so na America.
I see. As the senior most police officer retired, you are still a police. I mean, once a police COP, always COP. At the end, they see when you swap person call police, moi, could do baby, do you went to me and from Wagana? Now, just a bedroom and I bet him the Aqua Wagana. What at all are you going to bring on board? Should you have that position as member of parliament?
My main character, also, dear, I may police moment now from Ghana.
Yeah, maybe our person who used to be an MP position and the boy.
But then I say police in the Ghana.
Okay.
aboa Ghana bibia na so me police mu bia aboa o man bia ma yawie abe na msa onim die na mo ahoden a mituma sa aboa me man ada na so mituma dan dia pese ni kunya da mituma ko boa also called parliament now you be secret control parliament over parliamentary select committee on defense of interior now also more than 20 more so the no
Matthias yapa
tene de enya papa enya sa mindifo bebre parliament also bit ma boa ni ma e koso no de enye ni de ye mitna ma kwanche na bibia ye kama
Observer Safana bia we do afide na to ayene COP George Alex Mensah or unity as member of parliament aspirant our Bekwai about to Peshuaso, and is among 4 contenders are echo. Enra has been cleared. Yanini Dinkomo, these fortunes and chances of a possible win. From where you sit, I mean, Ghana, your election year, Niama Urezi concerns and here the sitting IGP, bet me pose a threat to the 2024 election, especially to the MPP. And Niama Sasa.
Yeah, that's a really important kind of hat. It's a select committee, and I'm coming to more report to my song. And the Oma, as it is answer me, the medical control. In some nine, a canoe. So, security issues here and discussing now. No security expert will do that.
I see. One of major concerns war constituency. Me no can say obi send a message about Zegovi. The COP has been a sympathizer of MPP but not a card-bearing member. Is sana situation it here?
And they said the two Busabati committee and but also do the worker.
May I well say coming out strongly. Our vetting committee.
Committee no more.
Okay, and then we made that. So we are card-bearing member of MPP.
Yeah, they say the committee na juma na mo so na ko beti ya kreb ese me ko stand na na wa se buza question we obia oya so fa university afaro na buza say exam no pass fa thank you for
I say ba told itimi wiem say fire fair with the anu asio bia na ogina wona suntra
qualify. One more, the qualify, only I'm sure, and I get answer no more, over.
Wow, I see. So, at the end now, we identify as the major issues, concerns, problems, our Bekwai, unya position now, over focus on the Abuadi share Bekwai.
Oh, the major issue. The fight, not different from any other concerns. It will be a complaint to an
exactly.
It will be a complaint to. But the quite particular about the concerns, you know, the party can be and she move a cry and womb. It is a major concern. I say, you know, a very bad. At Akosa or 24. About 4 hours, I know, and yeah, a cocky 12. Into United Front, the bearing. So that is my main concern. To have to build a united front at the constituency. If we any, no more this from the same. A piano watching channels, I cross 18. And no, I need majority. na prosuvia after na ebe development ho the mofra to school wo mo hia tuma ma minimum ton ne ma papa esa ne ma e fe no ebe vision ho e ko ebe fa so improvement with them.
Okay, I see. So Nkabom and of course development. These are the two major issues.
Sure.
I see. What started campaign? Saying delegate. What has been the reaction? Wow. And what are on the ballot and what are saying?
Position na maybe voting ballot no ha.
I see. And what are saying?
That's all.
Number one was
number one.
Oh, I see. And yeah, Utrimkwa. Okay. Mamena was say, I think say Benyam Renia transfer studio. Akoma FM.
I'm not telephonia. I'm Bekwai
yeah.
And another man for I'm show.
Thank you. Yeah, that's CP. I'm for higher Akoma 87.9 FM, and that is COP George Alex Mensah. Evans,
Kofi,
Maminti.